5 ऐसे situation that tell you if you need an upgrade to your PC, and no, that guy on Reddit shitting on your build doesn't mean you have to upgrade.
Oh subreddit, please bless me with karma for this good cable management. It took me 4 hours.
Intel bro, seriously? Ryzen is so much better for gaming.
What the heck is wrong with you? Bad RAM, bad cooler and a shitty PSU.
You PC peasant. MacBook is so much faster and portable.
Guys, this is my build, so I should make it in the way I like it, right?
You fanboying piece of shit. OMG, you're such a noob.
PC peasant doesn't understand creativity.
Don't listen to these guys.
So the issues you face could be either hardware or software. The first step then is to remove the software variable, starting with driver updates, which includes graphics, chipset, and network drivers to the latest versions on your motherboard's website. And this goes the other way around too. Sometimes a new driver could also be a problem. So if the issue started after you recently made changes to your system or installed new software, Windows has a system restore to get your system to a point where it was stable. And if that's not an option, you might need a BIOS reset or reinstall the OS itself. Next, run a full system scan. Windows Defender generally gets the job done, or Malwarebytes is a good option too. Finally, if none of this works, try hardware resets. Try hardware resets like RAM, GPU, and PC cleaning. Tutorials are mentioned down in the comment below. Yep, you're that good. If the problem persists after all that, it's safe to say your problems are probably hardware related. So number 1, overheating. So if it's overheating while you're gaming or using a software, that means it could be a hardware issue. Use HW info to identify whether it's a CPU or GPU that's overheating, and you can get that fixed. But if it's a heating without any major load, that's usually caused by dust accumulation, thermal paste degradation, or faulty cooling system. This means you probably need to clean your PC or change the CPU cooler altogether. Go away. And now number 2, performance. Now performance is the most obvious point on this list, but its solution, that's not so obvious. So if you tried all the steps you mentioned before and yet you're not getting the same performance as before, then your PC probably has become old. Some general ways to speed this up is getting dual channel memory, upgrading to NVMe or SATA SSD, and for gaming, typically a better GPU helps. If it's a specific software like video editing or 3D design, check out our hardware recommendation series to understand which component affects which part of your work and which one you probably need to upgrade. Now number 3, display issues. Now display issues like flickering, color distortion, or having a blank screen usually stem from driver updates, but at times, it's related to the monitor or the graphic card as well. Over time, heat can degrade solder joints in graphic cards, leading to visual glitches. Remember, a driver update or a GPU reset might save the day, but don't overlook the possibility of a faulty graphics card. Now, number 4 is BSOD, blue screen of death, in case you didn't know. If you find yourself with frequent blue screens or frequent crashes on your desktop, this leads to a lot of possibilities. Usually, the error code mentions which component is causing Usually the error code mentions which component is causing a problem, or you might have to spend some hours on Google trying to figure this out. The best way, however, is simply calling us at our toll-free. Option number 2, service. Yeah, that's all. Number 5, random shutdown. This can be a little difficult to spot, but insufficient or unstable power delivery to your components can cause random shutdowns and restarts. Upgrading to a higher voltage or better quality power supply can resolve that. And probably getting an electrician to have a look at your home car wiring also helps. Now, I hope this video helps in solving your PC issues. Let us know if it did. And in case you're looking to get an upgrade, we're only one call away. Why should you take from the MVP.in though? We provide a 3-year doorstep warranty on our PCs, lifetime tech support on all purchases, be it PCs or individual components. They all go through rigorous 48 hours test testing times before it gets out to you. And yeah, no upselling, God promise.